Hello, this is Martin from seekedge. Welcome to the trading channel from seekedge, and let's get into the analysis quickly. Try to make it very short analysis. You can see that the Nifty charts are showing that mm, there is a spinning top on kind of candlestick patterns, which is bearish. On the top of a rally, spinning is not great. It may, but it has made an all-time high, so it may come back to the previous resistance zone and then take support and bounce back again, in which case it's a change of priority and it may be a good thing. But you can see that overall the momentum has nothing has happened there, it's still intact. So the rally is still on, as long as it tries to not go below this 13,350 and 400 kind of levels, right? And ATX also is turning, it's intact and it's heading upwards on the bullish arms. So support levels all-time high means we can go up to 1500 as per Fib retracement, as I mentioned yesterday. But how fast it goes depends on support from MACD again. So we have good supports at the 15,400 levels, and then further down at the 14,750, 800 kind of levels. Bank Nifty is having a very bearish move that happened yesterday. Momentum has bent slightly. Right, again it also broke the all-time high yesterday, and then, as I said, any up moves would find a resistance at 36,500 levels. There may be a correction that can take support at 34,800 kind of levels, and if that breaks, then we have a major correction that could take to 33,500, 600 kind of levels. It has taken a bend, momentum has taken a bend. Nothing has happened to the trend. Trend is still intact up there, right? So magnitude, if it goes above the previous day's candle, then its bullishness continues. Otherwise, it may be a sideways or a flat movement that may happen. VIX has shot up slightly up. Your index has increased. It has gone down yesterday, and now 1 point move has happened yesterday. That means that's the reason for the resistance or the resistance that you see there. Let's correlate this data with the FIs or the data, or the charts with the data. So FIs did a small trade selling 400, 500 crores yesterday after 2 great buying days. Surprisingly, DAs were continuously buying yesterday also, which is good. Let's look at the open interest data. You can see that its highest call rating is at 16,000, which may be hedging. So you have all the distance. Overall, it's not that bearish, you can say, because it's still having not so far away 15,000 support writing is happening. So it may hover around between this 15 and this 15,500 levels and settle this expiry. Bank Nifty is slightly bearish. You can see a lot of resistances upwards. The fight is still happening for 35,500 and 35,500, and the supports are all close by, not too far, but not great put writing seen there. So it may be flat again, as it is indicated, right? So it correlates with what you see in the charts also. PCR ratios are, I believe, they continue to be 1.5, which is bullish for Nifty, and which continues to be at the 0.8 levels, which is not bullish at all. But let's look at the global markets, right? You can see that the Singapore exchange is flat, so you can expect a flat opening. US not necessarily, but you can expect it. So the US markets are also flat. Nasdaq is down, Dow Jones is flat. Now gold has broken out and taken a resistance, and it's not, it's hovering around that area. It's not further immediately moving as we expected. And US, the dollar index is taking support of the 90 levels. It attempted once and fall down again. USD I know did a great move yesterday. It was a reversal pattern that can be seen, clearly reverting upwards. So dollar is expected to move upwards in 73 levels this month, you can see. That's a wrap up of today's analysis. We can see that if you look at one more point I just want to touch on. So Bank Nifty had a short build up yesterday as per the futures data. Nifty had a long build-up, so it's exactly what correlates with the data that we analyzed earlier. Now that's a summary. So let's trade interact. Overall the bullishness continues there both. So Bank Nifty is not fully supporting. There could be a slight correction that may take support nearby, and then intraday can be traded depending on support and the resistance level that we mentioned. And that's all the verdict about today's analysis. And please subscribe and click on the bell button and like if you find this analysis interesting, and also give us feedback. Accordingly, I try to improve and give better content other than the analysis. Happy trading and thank you for watching. Catch up later.